Hello,
Hello.
good afternoon.
Welcome to another vlog. This time, papunta naman kami ng Arashiyama Bamboo Forest. Grabe ang init.
Super init talaga. So talagang wag na wag kayo ng summer dito. Kasi
Try and avoid July if you can.
so lahat may mga itinerary, meron kami sa itinerary na mga in-skip kasi hindi namin kaya. Sobrang init.
Although yung mga train naman is air-conditioned.
As soon
Kaso,
as you come out from
paglabas mo ng train, ayan na, sa lubong na yung init
That's
sobra. So naglalakad kami ngayon, it's almost 1 kilometer from the train station. Dali lang siya punta, straight line lang, just follow the Google Maps. Teka, dito yata, diretso dito. At I will stop muna kasi nawala yung maps namin. And then we'll see you when we get there.
we'll show you around.
So sobrang init, napabili kami ng ganito, ano siya, mango with ice. It's a bit fizzy. You got lemon, peach, strawberry. Yung tatlo na yan cost 2,370 yen. So it's about 11 pounds or something. But it's okay. Kasi we're so thirsty and it's so hot. So straight there, papunta pa doon yung bamboo forest. Ayan, medyo malapit na tayo sa entrance. Kasi medyo nagiging malilim na at saka ang dami ng mga bamboo. Nakatulong siya. Ang bagay. Ayan. Malilim na at saka medyo malamig na dito. So do not enter. Oh, do not enter private property. So that's off limits. It's nice and peaceful in here. Branch out to the right, pero it looks like there is a cemetery here. So cementerio, so do not enter. Hanggang dito lang tayo. Okay, so we venture forward, see where it will lead us.
Oh no.
Init na itong mga to.
Yeah, I think we just need to drink it like that.
So from here, we're just gonna turn left for now. I just follow the road. Oh, at least dito malamig-lamig na kasi puro bamboo, puro kawayan na nakapaligid sa atin. Saka hindi na rin ganun kaingay. Like another cemetery. Now, ang tanong, at 2 in the morning and nobody's around, would you walk through here? Ikaw lang mag-isa. I won't. So it looks like pataas siya. Wow. It really is a bamboo forest. So, na-reach na namin yung dulo ng path sa bamboo forest. And pahinga lang kami kasi it's too hot.
Masyadong mainit kasi yung tagaktak ang pawis.
So, it's either we go there or we go that way. So, we don't know which way to go. Pero for the meantime, pahinga lang muna kami.
Pahinga muna kasi masyadong mainit pa rin sa labas. Isang Yung isa na lang pupuntahan namin.
So from here, we're going to go to the Thousand Torii Gates or Fushimi Inari Torii Gates, which is about 45 minutes away from here.
Including
The walking.
Tapos yun na yung napupuntahan namin ngayon. Yung the rest na marami pa tayo sa list namin na hindi namin pinuntahan. Pero pag you're staying here, mapupuntahan nyo. Kasi kami day tour lang kami dito. Balik na ulit kami sa Osaka. And mga bagets namin, like I said,
Pagod na.
bukas hindi na lang sila mag-detain sa amin.
So hinto muna kami dito sa shop, malapit sa train station kasi nauhaw kami. We need to pull down and look at that. Melon shaved ice. The boys had sundae. We're having the chocolate ice cream. Look at the size of that. This is for 800 yen.
It's nice.
That's 800 yen. This is 400 yen. And then 400 yen each. Ito lang mahal kasi doble. Laki. Refreshing.
There are large gaps between the platform and the train in some places. Please watch your step when exiting the train.